So in this video I'm going to do a very quick walkthrough of everything I did to build this, what I have here. This is the inside here, just starting with that. So just showing, I did a pad, I did a sketch of the circle and I padded that. I then did a pocket for one of these holes, so to make that hole there. And then I did a multi-transform, both a linear and a polar pattern, to cut the holes this way. And then I did one final pocket at the end. And of course I shouldn't have hit that because now it has to recalculate, and that will take some time. So, okay, so that is the inside. The next thing I built was the what I would call the outside. So just 1 minute here. So I'm going to just show the outside. So I built the outside next, and I used similar things. So I did essentially mostly pads and pockets. There was nothing really all that interesting here other than the bottom, which was a sweep, I believe. So it was a sketch like this, and then it was a rotated sweep here. So yeah, so, and that was done using the part design, a revolve. So then after that, what I did is I built the legs, and I did that using an array. So I built one leg at a time, or I built the one leg first, and so I used a sweep for that. So a revolve for the last one, a sweep for that. So I drew the cross section here, and then I added a datum plane. I drew a cross section, and then so there's the cross section, and then I drew a path, and then I swept that and added the thing, and then lastly I did a linear or a circular array using the design tool to essentially revolve this around the z-axis to make 3 legs. And then the last thing I made was the thermal generator plate. So that's all one assembly. Of course it's not showing, but just hold on, I will hide the, I will hide the sweep here. So I'll hide these surfaces so that you can see the so essentially what I did is I started with one thermal generator. So there's one thermoelectric generator with a plate, and then I did a multi-transform in this direction and in that direction. And then I built the heatsink, and then I did all of these also with a multi-transform on the fillet and the thing. And then I used the surface tools, so I did a sweep to make this first surface using this cross section and then that profile. And then I used the surface tool to build out all of these surfaces. And this was done using 2 projects, which were then merged and then put into this final assembly here. So there you go. That's everything that went into making this. Hope you enjoyed.